guys, what are we gonna do today? We are gonna do these cute pockets. I know we've been doing pockets and pockets and pockets, but this one is really different. It looks like corrugated metal, doesn't it? But it's also a side pocket. Let's get started. So to make this cute little pocket, I'm just using this large index card that has a tab on it. And you could use anything you would like. But I thought this worked really, really well. First thing I'm gonna do is fold it in half. And at this point, if you were using a fun decorative paper and you had cut your own out, you could glue this together and really be done. And this is a really cute pocket. But I wanted to cover it. And I wanted to add another layer of paper. So what I'm gonna do is stamp this paper and we're gonna put it over this index card. I'm gonna be using this really fun, it's called corrugated metal stamp, but any stamp would work on this. And I found with these stamps, using a brayer really, really works well. You want your ink pad nice and juicy, but if you press down too deep inside, you're gonna have a little bit of blobs of ink that come out. Just going to stamp this. So now I'm going to cut this paper, and I know I want it just a little bigger than this. So it's gonna wrap around a bit, so I'm just gonna cut a piece off, and I'm gonna cover this front part. So I'm gonna use a glue stick and just glue stick this on here. And this is the front. So actually, you could just stamp, if your card was just white like this, you could have just stamped the card. I really wanted this paper on here, so I'm putting it on. And it's going to give it a little more thickness also. I'm just going to fold this edge back. And this is on the back. And I'm just going to fold these edges down. And then I'll take this other piece, and I wanted it to go the opposite way, and I'm going to glue that in there. And you can cover this any way you would like. And then I am just going to cut this edge. And I'm going to use a heavy-duty double stick tape on this. And I'm just doing that bottom edge. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just use a little vintage photo distressing ink and go around the edges. And there you go. You have a cute little pocket. So wasn't this easy and fun? Now, with this pocket, it's kind of fun because you have the tab, so you could label the tab. You could put recipes in this. You could add this to a book to put your coupons in, receipts, tickets, notes, anything that you could think of. But these are just so fast and simple, using something you probably already have around, index cards, that you could add these to almost anything. Hope you give this a try, but whatever you do, have fun.